Hi students, welcome to my class. In today's class, I'll be discussing the important synopsis that you need to know to solve a problem based on parabola. So if you see the diagram here, I have given so the focus point, axis, vertex, and the directrix. So these four are very important to know more about parabola. First one is the axis. So which axis the focus is on? So this is our major point. Focus point is on x-axis, focus point is on y-axis. So there are four types of parabola, so that we will see later. So next one is directrix, the fixed line that is equidistance from each point from the focus. So that is one thing. Next one, so this is the base of the parabola is called vertex. Okay, so based on this, so we have four types of parabola, that is y square is equal to 4ax and y square is equal to minus 4ax. And next the other two are x square is equal to 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay. So we have four types of parabolic equation. Now you will be wondering how to pick the correct diagram for all of this. So now if I take y square and y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay, so you have to focus on two variables, that is x and y. So if you observe the variables of the powers of x and y, here which variable power is more? So if you observe this, here in this case y power is more and x power is less. And in the second case, x square is equal to 4ay, here x power is more and y power is less. So how to draw the diagram, I'll tell you. Now, if I take y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to 4ax, in this case, which power is less? Which variable power is less? That is x power, right? X power is less. So you're going to cut the x-axis. So you have to cut x-axis like this. Now, if I take the other way around, that is x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to 4ay. In this case, which power is less? X and y. If you look into this, x power is 2 and y power is 1. So in that case, you are going to cut the y-axis. So this is how you will construct a parabola. Construction is not there, but for your reference, this is very important. And now there are two negative signs. So in this y square is equal to 4x, it is going to be like this, and x square is equal to 4ay. Once again, the power is y power is less. This is this one. So this is more about the parabolic equations and its graph. Next one. So the points on x-axis and y-axis. Now, for example, if I'm going to keep the point here, in that case, what is the coordinate here? So it is 2, 0. In the same way, if I place here, it becomes 5, 0. In the same case, now if I replace that point on the y-axis, so on the y-axis, the points are, the x-axis will be 0 and y-axis will be 2. So 0, 2. So in that case, now if I am going to replace here, in that case, it is 0, minus 3. And now I'll place point on the x-axis, it becomes minus 3, 0. So remember, the point is on x-axis. If I say point is on x-axis, then y values is 0. So x-axis, 0. And the point is on y-axis. If I say point is on y-axis, it becomes 0, y. 0, y, and point is on x-axis becomes x, 0. So this is one thing that you have to keep in mind. And also, equation of lines. Equation of lines in the sense, especially the equation of directrix, it will be like x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a, y is equal to a, and y is equal to minus a. Y is equal to minus a. So these 4 points, we will get it. So now you should not consider this as a point. It's actually an equation. X is equal to a is an equation. Now, for example, if I consider x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 is a line, equation of a line where it falls here. So if I consider a straight line, so x is equal to 3 line is here. So now I'm going to put line here. So this is x is equal to 3 line. So I hope you understood this, I guess. So now, for example, now if I consider one more point, that is y is equal to 4. If I consider y is equal to 4, once again I'll take scale. It's an equation of line. It is not a point. So if it is a point, you will have coordinates. 2 points you will have. So now y is equal to 4 is line which is parallel to x-axis. So this line is parallel to x-axis. So very important for our further topic. So please note down these points. Next one, so the point is on x-axis and the point is on y-axis. So let's discuss the point is on x-axis first. So now if you observe, the focus point is on x-axis. In that case, we'll write focus is on x-axis. So the points are a comma 0. So always if the focus is on x-axis, if it is a positive x-axis, in that case directrix will be opposite to that. So directrix equation will be equation of directrix. So equation of directrix will be x is equal to minus a. X is equal to minus a. If you observe vertex point is at 0, right? So it is 0 comma 0 will take. Next, there is a concept called length of latus rectum. So that is also very important. So length of latus rectum. So the formula is 4 into a. Length of latus rectum formula is 4 into a. So this is the concept of focus point is on positive x-axis. So for this, only few things will be differ. So focus point is at so look at focus point. Focus point is at negative side, right? So it is minus a comma 0. So equation of directrix will be x is equal to positive a, and the vertex point is at 0 comma 0 only, same. And the length of latus rectum, there's no change in that. It is 4 comma 4a. So it's not 4 comma a, it's 4a. So there is one question based on that. So I'll just show you. So find if the equation of parabola x square is equal to 4ay passes through the point 2 comma 1, then the length of latus rectum. Here the word passes through the point is very important. So if you see any word passes through the point in the section in the straight lines and conic section, that means this values belongs to x and y. So passes through point means x and y. So now let's substitute here. If I take that equation, x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to 4ay. Let's substitute x and y values. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So we get 4 is equal to 4a into y value is 1. So 4 is equal to 4a. So 4a is what? A value is it's actually 4a itself is a length of latus rectum, but I'll show you how to calculate. 4a is equal to, so a value is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, so length of latus rectum is equal to 4 into a. So it is 4 into 1. So it is 4a itself. So here itself, we got that answer, but for your reference, I just solved that. So this is how you have to calculate. Next one, so focus point is on y-axis. So if the focus point is on y-axis, directrix will be opposite to that. So focus point will be focus point. So you all know, so focus point is on y-axis. In that case, it becomes 0 comma a. So directrix will be, equation of directrix will be y is equal to minus a. It will be parallel to x-axis. And vertex point, it's always 0 comma 0. And last one, so length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is it is once again 4 into a. There's no change in that. Okay, next one, the other one. So here it is, focus point is 0 comma minus a. And equation of directrix will be, equation of directrix is y is equal to a. So that's all is the change. So there is no change in the other two part. So this vertex point and the length of latus rectum will be as it is. So let's solve this problem. So the problem is, the equation of parabola whose focus is at 6 comma 0. So it is 6 comma 0. Focus is at 6 comma 0, and the equation of directrix is equal to x is equal to minus 6. So 6 comma 0 in the sense that the point is on x-axis, right? So it is a comma 0, and this is x is equal to minus a. So that means the graph is like this. So the point is so just adjust with my diagram. So this is 6 comma 0. So equation of directrix is x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6. In that case, what is a value? A value is equal to 6. So now we know the general equation of this, right? So it is cutting the x-axis. If it is cutting the x-axis, in that case, the equation is y square is equal to 4ax. So here a value is 6, so it becomes y square is equal to a value is 6, so 6 4s are 24, so 24x. So y square is equal to 24x is the correct answer. Okay, that's all from my end. After watching this video, so if you think the video was useful, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and ask your friends to watch this and get the benefits. Thank you, children.